Half kg chicken. Add 2 chopped onion. Add 1 cinnamon, 1 bay leaf. Add 3 cloves, 4 cardamom, 1 pinch methy. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon each red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder. Add salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoons yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Add 2 tablespoons oil. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons water. Mix and marinate well. Let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, put it on high heat. After 10 minutes. After another 10 minutes. After 6 to 7 minutes. After 6 to 7 minutes, adjust the heat from high to medium. After another 6 to 7 minutes. After 10 minutes, while the chicken is 60 to 70% cooked, add cut potatoes. After 10 minutes, add 1/5 cups boiled water and cook in high heat without lid. After 10 minutes, add little garam masala powder as finishing touch. Almost done. Turn off the heat. And done. Enjoy the easiest and tastiest chicken curry.